Join me as I dive into the hunt for the most profitable side hustle in 2025 and see if I can uncover what really makes the cash flow. Having a side hustle has become essential in today's economy. With the rising costs of living and the uncertainty of traditional employment, more and more people are turning to alternative income streams to make ends meet. But it's not just about survival. Side hustles can also be a key to achieving financial freedom and living the life you've always dreamed of. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to find a lucrative side hustle is time constraints. We all have busy lives, and it can be difficult to find the extra hours to dedicate to a new venture. Another challenge is the lack of resources, whether it's financial capital or the right skills and knowledge. Additionally, many people struggle with self doubt and fear of failure, which can hold them back from taking the leap and pursuing their side hustle idea. And finally, there's the issue of information overload. With so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start and which path to take. In 2025, we're seeing a rise in popularity of side hustles such as freelance writing, virtual assistants, and social media management. These gigs offer flexibility and the potential for high earnings, but they do require strong communication skills and the ability to work independent. Another trend is online tutoring and coaching, which can be very lucrative if you have expertise in a particular area. However, it does require a strong online presence and the ability to market yourself effectively. We're also seeing a resurgence of interest in traditional crafts such as woodworking, sewing, and pottery, which can be very profitable if you're skilled in these areas. But among all these popular side hustles, there's one that stands out from the rest, one that has the potential to earn you a full time income, even if you only work part time, one that requires minimal startup costs and can be done from the comfort of your own home, and that is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services, and it's been proven to be a highly effective way to make money online. So, what makes affiliate marketing so profitable? For starters, it's a low risk venture that requires minimal upfront costs. You don't need to create your own products or hold any inventory, which means you can start earning money quickly. Additionally, affiliate marketing allows you to benefit from other people's expertise and hard work while still earning a significant income. And finally, with the right strategy and mindset, the earnings potential is virtually unlimited. In summary, finding the right side hustle can be a game changer for your financial future. It's about choosing an opportunity that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle, and then putting in the effort to make it a success. By following in the footsteps of successful entrepreneurs and staying committed to your goals, you can unlock the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching. And if you've had success with a side hustle, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and insights on how to make money online.